So the first step that we're going to do is to transfer the on course to the first observation sa R. Okay? So transfer natin dito, 25 yung on course natin, 025. So transfer natin dito sa R. Ayan. So guhitan natin. So hindi pa natin alam kung saan exactly yung position ng on shift natin. So medyo habaan natin yung line. Then hanapin natin dito kung saan yung position ng E. So we are looking for the distance. So we are going to solve this. So E is equals to, E is the distance. Okay? So distance is equals to speed times time. So ang speed na gagamitin natin is on speed. On speed and yung time interval ng first observation at saka second observation. So on shift speed natin is 15 knots. Okay, 15 knots. Then yung time interval is 6 minutes, which is also 0.1 hours. Yung 6 minutes rule natin kanina. 6 divided to 60 is equals to 0.1 hours. So therefore, our E distance is 1.5 nautical miles. So meron na tayong distance ng E na 1.5. E stands for your own ship. So hanapin or mag-measure tayo ng 1.5 dito sa scale natin. So nandito yung 1.5, sorry, nandito pala. Okay, this is 1 and 1.5. Ayan, so medyo adjust. Hindi talaga tayo makapag-accurate nito, may mga error talaga, no? Then tutok natin sa R. Kung saan nakatutok yung dulo, yun yung E. So nandito yung position ng E. So that's the time na i-connect mo yung E to M. Bakit natin i-connect yung E to M? So yung E to M, that is the, i-erase natin yung sobra. So E to M indicates your true speed and true course. Target, sorry. E to M, that is your target true speed and true course. Indicate natin dito. E to M, target, true speed, and true course. Okay, target, true speed, and true course. Yung E to M. Okay, so we're going to get the target true course, so yung E to M. Direction is from E to M. Okay, so ibig sabihin papunta doon. So dito tayo mag-measure kasi dito yung direction niya. Yan. So mas mahaba yung triangle ruler, mas maganda. Ayan, papuntahin natin doon sa gitna sa PPI. That is our basis para magkuha ng ating bearing. So lagyan natin ng indication dito. Yan. So this is our target true course. So that is 288, no? 288 degrees. So ibig sabihin our target true course here is 288 degrees true. Yan. Next natin na gagawin is target true speed. So target true speed natin, kukunin muna natin yung distance from E to M. So punta natin dito sa scale. So that is about 1.567. So that is 1.7. So ang distance is 1.7. So ang formula natin is distance E to M. Okay? So time. Okay? So ano yung gagamitin natin na time? So yung time interval ng first at saka second observation. Okay? So ang distance is 1.7 nautical miles. Yung time interval is 0.1 hours. O magtatanong na naman kayo saan galing yung 0.1. 6 minutes rule po. 6 minutes yung interval dito sa R2M. So yung convert natin sa hours. So 6 divided to 60, that is 0.1 hours. 1.7 divided to 0.1, that is 17 knots. Okay? So this is the advantage of a 6 minutes rule kasi hindi mo na kailangan gamitan ng calculator at saka hindi mo na kailangan gamitan dito ng scale. Okay, now our target through speed is 17 knots. Okay, let's take a look again to our scenario. Ang sabi dito, the master's orders to keep all targets to minimum CPA of 2 nautical miles and 5 nautical miles point of alteration to the dangerous target vessel. Now, ito na yung hahanapin natin, new course to steer. Take note, 2 nautical miles ang minimum CPA at saka yung point of alteration is 5 nautical miles. So, punta tayo dito sa chart. So, aalamin muna natin yung point of alteration. Saan yon? So, ang sabi doon, 5 nautical miles. Mag-measure tayo ng 5 nautical miles dito sa ating scale. Ayan. Then, from your PPE, ayan, then i-indicate mo lang doon sa RML natin. So, somewhere here. Okay? Then, lagyan natin ng indicator na MX. So, this is our point of alteration. Then, lalagyan natin ng arrow. Lalagyan natin ng line to indicate that the target vessel, no, should be keep 2 nautical miles CPA. Okay? So, yun. Then, lalagyan natin dito ng indicator niya, new CPA. New CPA, new closest point of approach. Okay? Then, itong new CPA na ito, line na ito, so, dadalhin natin dito sa ating vector triangle. Iraran natin doon sa vector triangle. So, ang basis natin dito sa second observation. Ita-transfer natin yan doon. Yan. Okay? So, medyo abahan natin. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is kukunin natin yung new course to steer. So, paano? So, from E to R, okay, magme-measure ka gamit yung inyong compass divider. Then, i-run ninyo papunta doon sa new CPA mo na line. Yan. So, lagyan mo ng indicator. Okay, so i-connect mo itong E to those indicator. Yan. So, lalagyan natin ito ng name. So, this is name as R1. Okay? So, kukunin na natin yung kanyang bearing so that will serve as our new course to steer. Papuntahin natin doon sa gitna. So, dito sa ating bearing scale, lagyan natin ng indicator. So, lagyan nyo ng arrow. Yan. So, this is now your new course to steer, which is 058 degrees. Game. So this point here, no, yung hinati na line ng ER, lalagyan natin ng R2. So we will name as R2. Okay. So hanapin naman natin ngayon yung new speed to steer. So yung distance natin is from E to R2. E to R2. And the time is yung time interval. Yung 6 minutes kanina, no? So, measure natin yung distance from E to R2. E to R2. So, what is the distance over here? So, that is about 0.7. Ay, 0.8. Okay, that is 0.8. So, over 0.1. So 1 minute rule, so that is 8 knots. 0.8 divided by 0.1 is 8 knots. So this is now your new speed to steer. Okay? Okay, so kukunin natin yung data, no? So yung RML natin check, the RML natin. So this is now the result, okay? Results. So DRML natin is nandito yung DRML natin is 249 degrees. True. Okay, yung CPA natin is 0.7 nautical miles. TCPA natin is the time at CPA is 19 minutes. Okay, sa target true course, so we have here, so saan ba yun? Ayan. Ay, saan ba yun? Target true course, sorry. Dito, 288 degrees. Ayan, 288 degrees true. Target true speed is, so dito yung target true speed natin, 70 knots. So pag sinabi mong target true speed, this is the actual speed of the target vessel. So new course to steer. New course to steer, no, yung new course to steer natin is 058 degrees. So ibig sabihin, this is the course, no? So this is the course that we are going to take, no, when we are going to alter, no, on the point of alteration yung sa ating MX. And the new speed to steer naman is nandito 8 knots. So if you wanted to slow down in order to keep the target, no, with at least 2 nautical miles CPA, so yung speed mo na i-adjust is 8 knots. Okay? So that is the result now. I hope na meron kayong natutunan dito sa ating radar manual plotting. So if meron kayong natutunan, please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!